Welcome to Pointer Rocks RV Campground, Prescott's #1 rated campground. Voted by local news, residents, the Courier, TripAdvisor, Yelp, and more. Our online reviews show that our customers love Pointer Rocks and the attractions and activities nearby. We have many repeat customers coming back year after year, making Pointer Rocks their home away from home. Our campground offers you a great home base to visit historic downtown Prescott and the greater Prescott area's events and activities year-round. As you can see from above, Pointer Rocks RV Campground is located conveniently next to Watson Lake Park, one of Prescott, Arizona's most popular city parks. Our short private trail takes you to Watson Lake Park. Enjoy a walk through the Granite Dells to Watson Lake for kayaking, paddleboarding, kids' playground, fishing, disc golf, biking, hiking, and a lot more. Our guests in neighboring cities such as Phoenix and Cottonwood escape to Prescott to avoid the summer temperatures. Our nightly temperatures during the summer range in the 60s. Located just across the street is Willow Lake Park, which includes more activities from hiking, kayaking, fishing, picnic areas, and more. Guests are encouraged to use our online reservation system for easy bookings at Pointer Rocks. Select the dates you're interested in staying and the number of guests that will be staying with you, and then search for the available sites. Visit our interactive website showcasing area events, local attractions, outdoor destinations, top dining locations, campground videos, and campsite photos. Our full-service campground offers 30 and 50 amp electrical, water, sewer, and free Wi-Fi. Bathrooms with showers and laundry facilities are also available. Keep in mind, Pointer Rocks RV Campground is open year-round, so pay us a visit anytime. While Pointer Rocks is a destination all its own, there are multiple services and attractions in the area as well. Pointer Rocks is just 5 miles from historic downtown Prescott. Enjoy dining, shopping, and monthly events happening on the Courthouse Square. Born to be Wild Adventures is stationed at Pointer Rocks, which offers watercraft rentals. Born to be Wild Adventures offers kayak, canoe, and paddleboard rentals. Free delivery and pickup to Watson, Willow, and Goldwater Lakes. Enjoy the Peavine Trail through the Granite Dells, just minutes from Pointer Rocks RV Campground. The famous Prescott Circle Trail, which is 54 miles, connects to Pointer Rocks via Watson Lake Park. Prescott provides world-class mountain biking with hundreds of miles of trails. You are sure to find great opportunities for your level of expertise. Lynx Lake and Granite offer additional hiking trails, biking trails, fishing, and watercraft sports. As you've probably already gathered, there's a lot to do in the Prescott area. Our campground is a great getaway any time of year and a great launching point for your next adventures in Prescott. Get in touch with us today to book your stay, and we'll look forward to having you as a guest in the near future.